Hey, what's up, family? Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. It's a girl, Madonna the Pro, the youngest top leading trader in Africa. I am so happy to connect again with you to my YouTube channel. Today, I got good and amazing news, guys. It's a new week, it's a new month, it's a new quarter, and you got to work and walk along with me so that you can get and profit from this journey. Guys, I got amazing news for you. But take a pause. Before we proceed, let's take note of this disclaimer. Trading financial assets is quite risky, and you have to understand that you can lose part or all your financial investment. Also, you have to understand that the past and previous performance does not really guarantee your future results and returns. So you got to be very careful, or always use risk and proper good management. And finally, I just want to remind you that if you're at all looking for any financial advisor, I'm not one, please find a certified and a registered financial advisor. One last thing, guys, you should be aware that you can be willing to lose only part of your trading investment. So make sure that whatever that you trade is the amount of money that you're willing to lose. Okay, so let's get right for this week. Before I proceed, guys, please, this is my YouTube channel. Make sure that you have actually subscribed. Click this button, the red button, subscribe. And on the right hand of subscribe, there is a notification button. Make sure that you click it, stay notified all the time as we post our new videos. Also, we have Instagram. Please make sure that you follow us on Instagram. We also have a Telegram community. Make sure that you click that button so that you can join our Telegram community. But guess what? We got launched our website. Guys, this is our website. Make sure that you click that link so that you can get all the information about Magdalena Financial Markets. There are prices, there are schedules, events, and everything, guys, you can get. Please make sure you also follow me and you click that link so that you can view our website. Please also be reminded to also be part of our Facebook and our Twitter community. So today, guys, I've got good news for you. Guess what? Here you go. That is our new website. It's live, it's there. Please go and check it. Okay. So I want also to share something regarding. So today I want to share about setups. So today I'm going live here on my TradingView platform so that I can be able to share with you and trying to actually show you how I've done these few setups. I've got about 12 setups for you for this week. So please stay with me. Guys, to start with, I will start with gold. Gold setup has printed a very, very good pattern. So we have an inverse head and shoulder. We have our left shoulder. We have our left shoulder here. We have our left shoulder here. We have our right hand shoulder here. And we have the head here. So guys, we have got the right shoulder already. So what we are looking at, we are looking for price to come and collect our TP. Guys, sometimes these things are very, very, very simple. So once the price reach there, we are going again to reevaluate this setup so that we could see what is going to happen next. Remember, always trade once the pattern actually presented itself. So always don't be ahead of the market, but always make sure that you always follow what the market is doing. We are going to get a lot of pips and they're going to profit from gold. You just have to be patient. Okay, we also have Euro USD. Euro USD, what I'm looking at, I can see this downward channel. So I'm interested for the price to come at this level. I'm interested for price to come at this level so that it can give me what? A double bottom. And I'm looking to see this kind of a structure, right? this kind of a structure. So make sure that you become a little bit much more patient for the pattern to display itself. However, I'm actually seeing this as the left shoulder, the head, and the toe. So once the price comes and hit this level and make a reversal pattern, we can take a quick ride up to this level, right? So once the price is at this level, be sure to wait for a reversal structure before you go long. If at all it breaks down, make sure that you see what's happened so that you can trade. Don't just jump in the trade, okay? So this is a direction and this is an indicative of how we can trade Euro USD, okay? So let's check at Euro Audi. Let's check at Euro Audi. Euro Audi has a very good setup. Euro Audi. Okay, remember what I told you last time, guys? Remember what I told you last time? This was a setup I've shared some few, I think last 2 weeks ago, or a week, last week. So I'm looking for a price to come and touch this area. I'm looking for a price to come and touch this area, okay? I'm looking for a price to come and touch this area. However, you could see that around this area, you could see that around this area, oh, sorry, okay. You could see that around this area, we have kind of a zone here, right? You have this triangle, guys. You have that triangle. So wait for the triangle to be actually be broken. However, if at all you jump to this trade, make sure your stop loss is somewhere there. Okay, make sure stop loss is somewhere there. So we are actually waiting to ride this pair up to this area. We are waiting for the price to come at that area. So that is one of the most beautiful setup I've seen in the market this week. Please keep on observing so that you can grab your pips. Okay, so I also see a potential setup which looks similar to Euro Audi, and this is Euro NZD. This is Euro NZD. I see a similar structure. I see a similar structure. Here, I see a similar structure. So I'm interested to take this pair down to this level. And once price has reached this level, I will again reevaluate my trading setups. So all the time, don't be ahead of the market. Wait for the market to print itself, or the market to print a beautiful and pattern structure so that we can know where is the market direction. Okay, I have Euro GBP. I could see Euro GBP. Euro GBP, I'm interested to see the price come at this level. Okay. Euro GBP, I'm interested to see the market coming to this level. I'm interested to see the market coming to this level, right? We have ridden this pair Euro GBP from somewhere here. So we have got quite a lot of pips. So I'm looking for price to come along this to touch this area, guys, to touch this area. So once the price has touched that area, we again reevaluate and see what the market has to do around that area. So that is another potential setup. Let's look at GBP JPY. I've seen good setup around GBP JPY. Okay, this is the most beautiful setup, guys. This is the most beautiful setup, guys. As you can see, there's a left shoulder, and there is here your head, and the right shoulder has actually printed. So what's going to happen? I'm looking to trade this pair up to this area. I'm looking to take my profit at this area, guys. So at that particular time, at that particular level, look for long position, look for long opportunity so that you can take your long position. This is one of the most beautiful setups. I think it has more than probably 300 pips. It has more than 300 pips, 300 pips. So look for a long opportunity for you to take a long position. Guys, Madeleina the Pro is my name. So if you see Madeleina the Pro anywhere, just know it's your girl Madeleina the Pro. Okay, So let's see another opportunity in the market. I can see an opportunity around the GBP card. I can see an opportunity around the GBP card. I can see an opportunity around GBP card. Let's go at daily time frame. So here is a GBP at daily time frame. Here is GBP card at daily time frame. So guys, you could see GBP card has made the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. So this one looks actually like a head and shoulder, but again, it's a triple top. It's a triple top. And once I have my Fibonacci retracements in place, I'm interested first of all to see market come to this area. So let's go to a lower time frame and see actually what's really happening for our time frame. This is GBP card, guys. This is GBP card. So I'm looking at the price. And I see a potential drop. I see the potential drop in GBP card to actually to this level. So it might come and bounce around 50 and 61 Fibonacci retracement, but this again, once the price is here, I'll be interested to see other opportunity for a short position. Guys, I will also be interested to see more opportunity for short positions. So look at this particular pair and see what's happening so that you can grab your opportunity for GBP card. Okay, another opportunity I see is in Euro card. Euro Canadian pair. So last week I shared this setup. And actually we were able to collect profit at around the neckline. We were able to collect profit at around this area. So price was somewhere here. We rolled it to our first P. So I'm looking for price to break this level and come at this particular area. So that becomes our what? Our second P. So guys, for the setups, make sure you see a clear breakout and a retest somewhere for you to be able to write this pair to that particular level. However, I want to also take caution. If at all the price does want to break this level, then probably these guys might actually reverse and come back. But I'm so much interested to short this pair down. So look on how the market is actually behaving. Look how the price is actually behaving in the market, so that you can always stay alert and see how you can actually ride those opportunities. I see also a good opportunity in NZD USD, New Zealand United States dollar currency. So here is my view. I see a flag here. I see a flag pattern here, right? And you remember that, and you have to know that this flag is for a potential uptrend positions. So if at all this one breaks and retests, then I would love to take this NZD USD pair up. So you have to wait. However, they might ride this pair up to this level and again go up. But again, if at all they break this flag pattern, then I'll be interested to long NZD USD. So be on alert. Look on how the market is actually printing itself, and wait for your best opportunity so that you can trade those setups. I'm looking also on the NZD JPY. I'm looking at NZD JPY. NZD JPY, you could see this is the most beautiful setup, guys. Beautiful, very clear setups. There is a left shoulder, there's a head here, and there's a right shoulder. So price has already started making a move toward the neckline. So if at all you jump, or you have already jumped to this pair, let this be your first TP, right? This be your first TP. So once this level is broken and retested, I'll be looking to take my second TP around this area. Madalena the Pro is my name as well. So if you see Madalena the Pro, that's my name. Guys, those are the most beautiful, beautiful setups, okay? So I have again about two more setups. I have two more setups to share with you. But before I proceed, I just want to, for you to actually remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn your notification button on, make sure you follow us on Instagram, join my Telegram channel, also click the link here to view our website. We have launched our website, www.madelena.financialmarkets.com. Please remember to actually click that website so that you can get all our information regarding our service. So this is actually my website. This is my website, www.madelenafinancialmarket.com. Please be sure to click and actually follow us on our website also, so that you can be alerted to new prices, offers that we actually announce oftenly. So let's finish our two last setups. I'm looking to see a beautiful setup at NZD CHF, NZD New Zealand Swiss franc. So this is my view. I have two scenarios. I have two scenarios for market this week for NZD CHF. So here is the left shoulder, here is the head, and we have our right shoulder, right? So there are two scenarios here. I could see this is the first touch, the second touch, the third touch, the fourth touch. Market might also resist to go up. So if I see a bounce and a good retest, I might be interested to short this pair. However, my very interest is on this scenario. This is my most interest scenario. For price to break this level, retest, and I go up. Again, there's another level here. So once price comes here, also we have to evaluate the market, make sure if you see a breakout and the retest, then we can write the price for NZD-CHF up to this level. Guys, make sure that you see a good breakout and retest. Don't just jump in, but make sure you see a good breakout and a retest. Our last pair for today, I'm looking at CAD CHF. I've shared this pair last in my two previous videos, but I see a CAD CHF is actually giving us so much trouble. It doesn't want to move. It's just consolidating. So, but again, I'm looking to actually long this pair. I'm looking to long this pair and ride it to somewhere here. So you have the first touch here, guys, the second, the third, and the fourth here, right? So look for a breakout of this level, a retest with a reversal structure before going long for this pair. However, if at all it fails to break this level, make sure you get a good reversal candle, reversal structure before you short it down. However, my bias and my interest is on longing this pair. I'm looking to long in this pair. So I'm looking for a breakout and a retest before I long this pair. So that is what I have for this week for you guys. I'm sure you're going to actually benefit more from this setup that I've shared. Please be on the lookout. You have to understand that you have to make sure that you are actually using proper risk management. Please, guys, comment on these videos. If you have anything, comment on these videos. Give me a thumb up, like my video. Please like my videos. Give me a comment. What do you think about this video? Where do you think we can actually improve? Please talk to us, and also let us connect each other so that we can actually benefit from this market as we move along. I love to see everyone winning. I want to see everyone profiting from the market. However, if you're looking for a mentorship in online trading so that you can be able to trade much more advanced and professional, please check in my website. There's so much information, the prices, and how you can actually go about it, and even the payment methods. And also, if you're looking for forex signal, volatility signal, please also check on my website. You can see all the prices and all the information. If you're looking for account management, also please check on my website. I've put so much more information, and also the upcoming events. Also check in my website. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can always stay alert on what we do. I have so many good news coming for you guys, and I wish you the most in trading. So I wish a fruitful week, a profitable week, and a profitable month. Until we meet next time, I wish you all the best. I see you in my next, actually in my next videos. Bye.